Weaving large balloons. The diamond weave. Alright, in this case I always want an even number of balloons, so I usually tie them in pairs before I start. And then we're going to go up a couple inches and twist the pairs together, one balloon on each pair together. And here we're going to decide the width that we want. That's the number of pairs we're going to put together, and then we'll show you how to get the length on this weave after we get all the width that we want. Yeah, let's get one more on there, and then we'll go ahead and start doing some diamond weaving. Alright, we start on an edge, go up however many inches you did before you twist it into adjacent, and then again and twist it back into the same color. And now we're going up however many inches. We're making diamonds. That's why it's called the diamond weave. You can see I'm always twisting the same color into itself. A lot of times this will all be one color, but in this case we're doing this different colors so you can see how the weave works. Get to the edge again and make a twist. And I'll have an adjacent balloon to twist it into, and then come back to make the diamond. Alright, let's speed this up. Well, we're twisting now with the adjacent colors. You can see the gray and the green, and the green and the blue, until we get over to the edge, and then once again we're going to go up, twist it itself, and then twist back, create another diamond, and go back to twisting in its own colors. Oh, I got that one backwards. There we go. And basically keep on doing that for whatever length you need on it. Now you notice already that the weave is starting to curve. It's hard to keep this one so it'll stay flat. There's a way you can weave balloons inside all those big gaping holes. It helps a little bit, and I'll show you that later. Also, this weave, because there's so many balloons going everywhere, and since most of the time you use one color balloon, it's really easy to lose your place on this one. So you have to pay very good attention to where you are as you use it. One of the major advantages of this, though, is you can create a large, you can cover a lot of space with very little twisting time. I used this when we did our life-size T-Rex skeleton for part of the pelvis, just because it was easy to put together to cover that whole huge bone. And you can see I'm trying to get it so it'll lay flat, but it really does not want to. I guess you could put some pinch twists in there, something along those lines to help that way, but that would defeat the speed of the twist of the weave. A lot of times what you do is this: you take a balloon, or if you made the diamonds larger, you could use 2 balloons, and you're just going to weave it under, over, and fill in the gaps. It also strengthens the weave, which helps flatten it out a little bit, although I can never seem to get it quite perfectly flat unless I'm tying it into to something else. And when I do the ones adjacent to it, I just do it opposite, so it will go under instead of over, and over instead of under. Gives it a very kind of cloth look when you get it done. Let's speed this up. We'll put 2 more in there just so you get an idea of how it looks when it comes together. And to imagine if you can too that, say this is all green or all blue or something, it fits together nicely as a solid piece that way. And that is the diamond weave. And I can't say I use this one too much. Like I said, if I have to cover a large area and don't have a lot of time to do it, I'll go to this one. I did use it on Elvis here. That's very, very small diamond weave, as well as on the body of this Stegosaurus. That's it.